Hello everyone. So today we will be solving numerical on design of tension member, and this is the statement of our numerical. A single angle ISA 90 by 90 by 6 about 6.8 kg per meter is connected to a gusset plate of 8 meter with the help of 16 bolt to transfer the tension. Determine the design tension strength of the angle section having number of bolts 4. So from the given numerical, our first step is to write down the given things. So the first given thing is diameter of the bolt, and diameter of the bolt is 16 Then from the diameter of the bolt we need to calculate the diameter of the hole. So the diameter of the hole is calculated by clause number 10.2.2, table number 19, page 73. Then from the table number, the clearance is of 2 meter for the diameter of bolt 16 the clearance is of 2 meter, hence the diameter of hole is equals to 18 Then Fu, that is ultimate strength, is equals to 410 MPa. Fy is equals to 250 MPa. Number of bolts are 4. Now we need to calculate the edge distance. Edge distance E is equals to 1.5 times the diameter of the hole, and it is calculated from the clause number 10.2.4.2. So it is 1.5 into 18, which is equals to 27 We convert this distance in terms of 5. That's why our edge distance is equals to 30 Then the gross area of the section, it is calculated from the steel table. So AG is equals to 865 square. Then we come towards the pitch distance. Pitch distance is equals to 2.5 the diameter of the bolt, and calculated from clause number 10.2.3.3 from page number 73. So pitch distance is equals to 40 and our section is ISA 90 by 60 by 6. So now our first step of the design is to calculate the design strength due to yielding of gross section. So from the clause number 6.2, TDG is equals to AG into Fy divided by gamma m0. AG as calculated from the steel table 865, Fy is 250, gamma m0 is 1.1 from table number 5, page number 30. So from calculation, TDG is equals to 196.59 kilonewton. The second step is to calculate the design strength due to rupture of critical section. TDN is equals to 0.9 ANC into Fu divided by gamma m1 plus beta into AGO into Fy divided by gamma m0. This calculation is done from clause number 6.3.3. Now in this beta is equals to 1.4 minus 0.076 W by T into bracket Fy by Fu into again Bs by Lc, and this value should be less than Fu divided by gamma m0 upon Fy divided by gamma m1, and this value should be greater than 0.07, which means that our beta value should not be greater than 0.7. So this is the schematic diagram of our angle section, or detailing of the angle section. Angle section 90 by 90 by 90 by 6, 90 by 90, and the thickness of angle is 6 Here longer side is 90 connected to the gusset plate. Edge distance 30 pitch distance 40 We require the formula for BS. BS is equals to W plus W1 minus T. W is length of unconnected leg. W1 is the distance from the bottom of the angle up to the center of the bolt. So here, and T is the thickness of the angle. So thickness of angle is 6 mm. W1, that is distance from the bottom of the angle to the center of the bolt, is 60 mm. And the length of the unconnected leg, that is W, is equals to 60 mm. So our BS is equals to 60 plus 60 minus 6. BS is equals to 114 mm. Next, LC, that is length in the connection. Now length in the connection is P, that is pitch distance, into bracket N minus 1, that is number of bolt minus 1. 40 plus 40 is the pitch distance and number of bolts are 4. That's why 40 into bracket 4 minus 1, LC is equals to 120 mm. Substituting all this value into the formula of beta, we are getting beta is equals to 0.96. It should be less than 1.44 and should be greater than 0.7. So our value of beta is equals to 0.96. Now in TDN we also need to calculate ANC and HU. ANC is equals to L1 minus D naught, that is diameter of hole, minus T by 2 into T. L1 means length in connection, so 90 minus 18 minus 3 into 6, so ANC is equals to 114 mm square. AGO, that is gross area, is equals to length of unconnected leg minus half the thickness into T. So 60 minus 3 into 6, AGO is equals to 342 mm square. Substituting value of ANC, AGO, beta, FU, FY, gamma M1 and gamma M0 in the formula of TDN, we are getting the value of TDN as 196.89 kilonewton. Our last design strength is design due to the block shear. It is calculated by two ways, that is TDB1 and TDB2 from clause number 6.4, page number 33. Now the formulas are in front of us. In this formula we need to calculate AVG, AVN, ATG and ATN separately. So AVG is equals to LS into T. LS we have calculated previously, so LS is 150 and T is the thickness, therefore AVG is equals to 900 mm square. We may also calculate LS by LC plus E, that is length in connection plus E. LC is 120 mm and E is 30 mm, so LS is equals to 150 mm. Now AVN is equals to LS minus into bracket N minus 1 by 2 into diameter of hole into T. LS is length in the connection, N is number of hole. So substituting values into the formula, we get AVN is equals to 522 mm square. Then comes the value of, the area ATG, and ATG is equals to LT into T. Now length in tension is 30 mm and T is 6 mm, so ATG is equals to 180 mm square. And last area is ATN, which is equals to LT minus 1 by 2 into diameter of hole into T. Again LT is equals to 30 mm minus 1 half, diameter of hole is 18 mm, thickness is 6 mm, so ATN is equals to 126 mm square. Substituting this value of AVG, ATN, FY, FU, gamma M0 and gamma M1 into the formula of TDB1, we are getting value of TDB1 as 155.29 kilonewton. Similarly, TDB2 is equals to 0.9 AVN FU divided by root 3 gamma M1 plus ATG FY divided by gamma M0. Substituting our values into the formula, we get TDB2 as 129. Hence, the design strength due to the block shear will be minimum of TDB1 and TDB2. TDB2 is 129 and TDB1 is greater than 129. Hence, TDB is equals to 129.87 kilonewton. And our design strength is minimum of TDG, TDN and TDB. And the minimum is TDB it is 129.87 kilonewton, hence TDB is equals to, TDB is equals to 129.87, hence the design strength of the section is 129.87 kilonewton. Lastly, the detailed reinforcement or the detailed design is expected from us. In that we need to show edge distance, pitch distance, edge distance, diameter of the bolt, then W1, everything is needed to be shown in the detail. This is our detail diagram. Thank you.